wanna hold me down. I say don't call me now, 'cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down.
'Cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down. I say don't call me now, 'cause I'm better.
Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. I will present my family tree in the form of a diagram. This is my father. His name is Burhanuddin. And this is my mother. Her name is Janiba. They got married in 1980. From their marriage, my brother, my sister, and I were born. This is me, and this is my husband. His name is Ari. We got married in the 2012. We have been blessed with two daughters, Azahra and Arliza. This is my brother. His name is Juni. And this is his wife. Her name is Jana. They got married in 2021. From their marriage, they have one son. His name is Saki. And this is my sister. Her name is Alia. She is still in high school in our area. That's the story of my family tree. Thank you. Bye-bye.
No, don't call me now, 'cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no